Where it gets interesting, at the time of recording, the market's been on an upward trend. And that's got some scratching their heads considering Burry's predictions. Folks, this isn't just a one-sided bet. Burry's strategy is as dynamic as the markets themselves. He's not only going, hey there, fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some electrifying news that's sending shockwaves through the financial world. It's none other than Michael Burry, the man who predicted the 2008 housing market crash, making headlines once again with what many are dubbing the Big Short 2.0. Grab your seatbelts because we're about to dive into the heart of this massive market intrigue. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss our market updates. Ladies and gentlemen, it's no exaggeration to say that Michael Burry is back with a bang. The man who made a fortune from the housing bubble collapse is now betting a jaw-dropping $1.5 billion on another stock market crash. And let me tell you, he's not doing it quietly. Just like last time, Burry's going against the grain, defying popular opinion and making some audacious moves. But remember, investing isn't for the faint-hearted, and this time is no different. All right, let's break it down. Burry has put his chips on the table in a very unique way. He's not just going for a one-sided bet. He's got both short and long positions in play. Brace yourselves, because this isn't your run-of-the-mill trade. He's grabbed put options against two massive market indices, the S&P 500, SPY, and the NASDAQ 100, triple Q. Now, for those who aren't too familiar with options trading, put options can be like a double-edged sword. If the market goes south, Burry could be raking in serious profits, but if it defies his predictions, he might be in for a rough ride. Let's get into the nitty-gritty, shall we? Burry's biggest position is a whopping $886 million bet against the S&P 500. But hold on to your hats, because that's not all. He's also got his skin in the game with $738 million in put options against the NASDAQ. It's clear he's not holding back. Now, here's bearish. He's also taken out some bullish positions. This move, known as hedging, can be a game changer. While we've been focusing on his massive bearish positions, let's not forget his long positions, totaling over $100 million. One of his key buys, Expedia Group, has seen nearly 30% growth since Q2. But of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. He's also cut ties with some major players, notably JD.com and Alibaba. Now let's rewind and take a stroll through memory lane. Burry's history of predictions has been a roller coaster ride, with some hitting the bullseye, and others leaving folks scratching their heads. From calling out crashes to bubble warnings, he's been quite the controversial figure. It's not surprising that opinions about him are as divided as ever. Whether you're a Burry believer or a skeptic, there's no denying his impact on the financial world. Here's where things get really intriguing. Burry might be onto something when it comes to anomalies in the market. Let's examine some data that suggests the current market could be in uncharted waters. We're comparing the current S&P 500 performance with previous pre-election years. And guess what? The data is sending some shivers down our spines. Historical patterns indicate that we might be due for a significant correction, given the recent market run-up. And this could be where Burry's analysis comes into play. So what's the bottom line? Is the market on the brink of a major shakeup? Or are we in for yet another twist in the tail? There's no crystal ball here, and even the experts can't predict every market movement. Michael Burry remains an enigmatic figure, sparking both awe and skepticism. Whether you're cheering him on or raising an eyebrow, one thing's for sure: the world of finance is anything but dull. Thanks for tuning in, savvy investors. Don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Burry's onto something big, or is this just another market buzz? Keep your eyes peeled for the next update, and until then, happy investing.